If you don't want to look goofy, bring them to Doofy. You can call me Doofy. Gotta remove the soles. Oh, that was easy. 12-year-old glue. It's not gonna stick. After 10 years, you gotta be careful wearing your shoes, bro. That's just bottom line. You gotta be careful wearing your shoes. You can't go hop, skip to my Lou, hot sauce, and you not even, you got a 10-year shoe on. Of course, this dude was probably trying to wear these and they probably exploded on him somewhere and he looked goofy. You don't want to look goofy. If you don't want to look goofy, bring them to Doofy. You can call me Doofy. Actually, the customer just texted me, asked me was they ready, and I told him no. Then he said there's no rush. But I literally say, do not text me. I'm gonna let you know. I am going to let you know when your shoes are ready. They're not ready, nigga. This is a sock. This is basically a sock right now. This is a sock. Leave me alone. Damn. Leave me alone. Let's get started. Alright, we back. Just got the glue set. So while we was gone, put the glue on there, let the glue sit and cure for a little bit. Now it's time to heat it up like a hot pocket with some noodles or leftovers. Well, I don't know, nigga, it's time to heat it up. Alright, so we're gonna move this shoe out the way. We're gonna work with this. Alright, so what you wanna do is, this is what I do. I like to heat the back and the front, stick them together, and put the gun down. Stick them together, and then I go back and do the sides. You feel me? Work the sides in. So, you see, they dry right now. Dry, not sticking. Once that heat get activated, it ain't no going back, baby. So pay attention. We got that back stuck on there. See that booty? You see that booty? Now look at the front. We gotta get the front done. This is always the hardest part because you wanna try to line it up, but it's tough. It's tough to line that up. What I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna line up the teeth on the side. You line that up, and you should be good to line up the toe box. Alright. What should have took me maybe at the most 30, 45 minutes of gluing, of clamping together, being transparent, took me all day, bro. Where's my phone? 11:25 p.m. When I was first clamping the shoe, bro, it was like 6 o'clock. Not even 6. The sun was up. Bro, the sun was up. I'm so tired. I can't even clean these tonight. I was supposed to have these done today, but I was drained. I kept taking breaks. It was so much. So here's a pro tip. When your shoes get unglued, please, I'm begging you, go get them fixed ASAP. Because sometimes the sole will outgrow the shoe, the actual upper. And when that happens, you have to do a lot of bending, shape shifting kind of stuff, bro. I shouldn't have been up this long messing with these shoes. I am an early bird. I like to get my sleep. It's been cold in this room all day. I've had this hoodie on all day. It's been cold all day. Bro, I have to take a shower. It's time to go to sleep. To tell you the truth, I ain't taking no shower, bro. That's dead. I'm gonna be back tomorrow. The shoe glued. All you gotta do is, I gotta clean it and we done. I gotta touch up the paint. I gotta match paint tomorrow. Damn. See, what they don't tell you is that they don't finish these shoes in one day. These videos be fast, but this don't be fast. This is literally a reincarnation, bringing these back from the dead. But now, I'm finna go take a nap or something. So I'll be back tomorrow and like, I'm gonna act like nothing happened. I'm just gonna act like nothing happened. You don't say nothing, I don't say nothing. I'm not gonna blend this scene. It's gonna pop up. It's gonna pop into the next scene. And I'm gonna be so energetic. Gonna be like, and I'm not gonna care. Cause either you watch or you don't. It might be people that never even see this video. There's gonna be a bunch of people that never see this video. It doesn't matter at the end of the day. And I'm not editing this out. Cause I don't care. It is what it is. Now I'm just talking to myself. And the scene is just gonna pop in. Hey, we nice and clean, baby. Nice and clean. It hasn't been 2 or 3 days. It hasn't been 2 or 3 days. Just know these have been cleaned, they have been glued, and they have been touched up. They have been touched up, paint-wise. No flakes in the armor, no chips in the armor. You have no Doritos in the armor. All I gotta do is lace them. Hopefully that's a cool little position. And here you have it. 2011 cherry candy cane, peppermint, whatever you want to call them. Reincarnated is what I'm gonna call them. Back in action, back wearable, toe box, back sealed. If you see any glue stains, it's because I didn't want to get rid of that. It shows the age. There's one right here. You can't really tell. It's a little gray showing. Hey man, you gotta show the age. You have to show the age. That's that. And that's a wrap on these 2011, I'm gonna call them candy cane. Because when I was growing up, we called them the Candy Cane 14. Of course, that release was like probably 2006. I was in middle school. Don't matter. Dog chewed it. My dog chewed it. It's okay. Maybe he won't notice. But this should be a very satisfied customer. Now, for the serious quote of the day. Let me use my phone. For the serious quote of the day, I'm gonna go with believe you can. After that, you already halfway there. Keep going. Peace.